The last thing you want to do is have a brand new home that leaks. And when it's leaking, you're essentially taking that conditioned air and you're pushing it outside. That air costs money. So if you're having a builder that's not taking advantage of air tightness testing, how can you quantify what that cost is for that home? Lincolnburg over a number of years have continued to push the envelope to ensure their air tightness levels are at a low rate so their homeowners can save money.
Lincolnburg Homes strives to build the most airtight house possible, and really that's the single best thing that you can put your time and effort into to improve the energy efficiency of a home.
The biggest amount of energy loss in a home is the leaks that are in the building envelope. The building envelope is anything that separates the outside from the inside. A normally prescriptively built home will run at around 2.5 air changes per hour. The single family homes that we build I've seen tests that range anywhere from that 0.8 air changes per hour to that 1.5 air changes per hour in our single family homes.
At Lincolnburg, we do a blower door test to prove out the air tightness of our houses, and that's not something that every builder does.
One of our field technicians, they'll come in, they'll ensure the building envelope is all closed, so windows, any exterior doors, all the hardware is in the home is pretty much at a complete state. We'll come in, we'll set up a fan in the front door and one of the exterior doors. We'll depressurize the house, and at that point we can walk through and look for any issues that we may find in the building envelope, and that goes back into an energy model where we actually can produce the EnerGuide label and give the homeowner a quantified report they can have for themselves and also potential resale value. We want these homes to breathe, and the way to do that is with a HRV, or what's called a heat recovery ventilator. This allows to bring the fresh air into the home, precondition the air going into the furnace, and then reheat or cool the home.
Most of our houses are running in around that 19-20% better than base building code or single family homes. If you buy a home from us and it's 15% better than base building code and you have CMHC insurance or mortgage insurance, you'll get a rebate back from that company, free of charge. It costs you nothing.
On average, over the last year, we've saved the equivalent of 50,000 liters worth of gasoline in energy savings for our customers.
When you purchase a Lincolnburg home, you can have confidence that that home is going to be comfortable because of their air change from their blower door test and the performance base that they've taken. This combined with the heat recovery ventilator will ensure that your home is not only comfortable, but is healthy and you have good conditioned air.
Lincolnburg Homes strives to build the most airtight house possible to improve energy efficiency and keep our customers comfortable and help them save money.